Break it. Yo, so check that out. That coupling is like about to pop off. Let's get to let's get to the air conditioner pump. What is up, guys? So it's Friday. This is like the third or fourth day I've been working on the Evo. So yeah, kind of doing like 3, 4, 5 projects all at once. I don't know, getting a little carried away, but once I'm done, it should be done for a while, except for the TPMS sensors, which I have to have someone else do because I don't have the computer to do that. Today, what I'm gonna work on, I've only got like, I don't know, a couple hours I can work on it. So I'm gonna try to start working on the air conditioning pump. I've got a new one. It's not exactly the same as the old one. I guess Mitsubishi changed them a little bit between 08 and 2012. So the pump's a little smaller, but it's got a bracket. It looks like it'll work. All the fittings look the same. It's just the pump's like from this big to like this big. The pulley looks the same. So hopefully it works. We'll see. I'm gonna try to slap it up in there, and I gotta find a couple bolts. So that's gonna be the tricky part. And then what else? I got a new belt for it because right now I have the AC deleted because it snapped off. The old bracket snapped, and when Steve-O and I were in Tennessee, the belt kept flopping off. So that was a story in itself. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna bring you guys along and kind of see what we can get done today. So sometimes I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, other times not so much, but when it comes to cars, I'm a little picky. So let me flip the camera around. I want to show you something that's kind of been driving me nuts for a little bit. So here's the trunk. I don't know if you can see, but there's like not the same height, right? So I just saw where the bump stops are, I think. So originally I thought these, and they just kind of spin, so I was kind of like, well, that's not going to adjust anything. However, right here there is a nut back here and a place to adjust it. Yo, all right, you gotta check this out. Super flush. Not perfect, I'll admit, not perfect, but way better than that like 1/4 inch gap. Yo, that looks nice, very nice. I'm just saying, it looks good. All right, so just to kind of recap, I did get the lines ran and taken care of. The one that, I don't know why driven fab didn't just come off the hard line that goes into the pump and make the stainless steel line just a little bit shorter, because to get up underneath where that line goes to, it's like above the axle. What a pain in the so real quick, doing that line that goes to the like up above the axle, I spent a whole bunch of time on it. I think I spent probably 2.5 hours just on that one line to get it undone. There's like a 10mm bolt, and it's up above the axle underneath like a plate. So like you've got the body of the front, like the frame, the body of the car, a little stud with a nut that holds the line on, and then all around it is some of the like rear suspension, like subframe, if you will. I don't know what you want to call it, but just like the subframe in the front, and cradle and all that. There's that kind of stuff in the back, and it's like, man, like I had to like hold a wrench over here and like boop 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 boop, oh, like an eighth of a turn at a time. So part of it is just the tools that I had, but also, I mean, like you would need a ratchet wrench with really small teeth to be able to take that off any faster. Otherwise you gotta drop some parts, and I didn't feel like doing that. So even though it probably would have been faster, it would have caused more headaches in the long run for me. So anyways, end rant. Let's get to let's get to the air conditioner pump. All right. All right, so here's the new pump. Here's the old pump. You can kind of see where to go. Like back here, it's kind of broken, and I think that's the only part of the pump itself that broke. But there's like a stud from the bolt in the block, and so we gotta take that out. Yo, so check that out. That coupling is like about to pop off. Good thing I'm in here. I'm gonna go fix that. A little bit of cheap hairspray, never hurt anything. All right, so I got the air conditioning pump in, but the lines do not bolt up the same way as they did on the old pump. So I'm gonna see how much new lines are. If they're kind of expensive, I'm just gonna get the proper pump. So we'll see. Anyways, we're gonna head to dinner. My buddy that's in town from the military, he's getting ready to leave tomorrow. So we're gonna go say bye to him and have a big old dinner. So I'm gonna clean up and we're gonna head down and do that. So see you guys later.